Today's tutorial is on how to add add-ons into Google Slides. You can add add-ons on other Google tools, but today we're going to do it in Slides. So you click on that menu drop down Add-ons and you go to Get Add-ons. So all of them or their recommended ones show up here, and you can choose whichever ones you want. I'm choosing this one because it was recommended to me by Control-Alt-Achieve blog on 9 awesome add-ons. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to click on it. So as you see right here, there's ratings. You want to look for one that has a decent rating and has enough raters. In this case, 73 people rated it. And it has at least 3.5 stars. So I'm going to say, oop, that one's okay. I'm going to add it. Plus it's free. Free is always good. Then you have to choose which Google account you want to use. And lastly, you have to allow it. Now to use the add-on, I go up to add-ons and you'll see that there is my add-on. I need to open it. I chose this particular add-on because it has a multiple of tools, and I wanted the export tools, which was the an export that allows me to export the slides as images. But like I said, it has a multitude of tools, and rather than have a bunch of add-ons, I just wanted to have one add-on that had several tools.